So we know that 2 plus 6 is 8 and 6 plus 2 is 8. They give us the same answer. But rather than always having to count up blocks, when we're adding, we can use a number line. So here's a number line to 10. If I want to do 2 add 6, I can start on 2, then I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. And you can see that I've landed on the number 8, so that's my answer. But because order doesn't matter with addition, when I'm using a number line, it's easier to do 6 plus 2. So I start on 6, and then I make 1, 2 jumps, and I end up at my answer, which is 8. So here I've got 3 plus 7. Now I could count up the total number of blocks to find my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I can show this on a number line. So if I start on 3, how many jumps will I need to make? Well, I'm adding 7, so I need to make 7 jumps. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. And I've landed on the number 10, so I know 3 plus 7 equals 10. But let's look at 7 plus 3. If I have 7 blocks, and then I get another 3 blocks, what is the total number of blocks that I will have? Well, because we know that 3 plus 7 is 10, we also know that 7 plus 3 is going to give us the same answer. So let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again, we can show this on a number line. So let's start on 7, and how many jumps are we going to make? Well, we're adding 3, so let's jump on. 1, 2, 3. You can see that we've landed on the number 10, so 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now pause the video and see if you can explain which question do you think is easier, 3 plus 7 or 7 plus 3? Or maybe you think that they're both the same. See if you can explain why. Now we've got 3 plus 5. I could start on the number 3 and jump on 5, but I'm not going to do that. There's a quicker way to answer this question on a number line. What can I do instead? Well, I can start on the number 5 and jump on 3, because remember with addition, order doesn't matter. So really here I'm doing 5 plus 3, but I know that it's going to give me the same answer. So if we start on 5 and jump on 1, 2, 3, I've landed on the number 8, so 3 add 5 makes 8. Now we've got 8 plus 5, and you can see that I've got a longer number line because I think our answer is going to go above 10. So on our number line, which number shall we start on? Well, 8 is the larger number, so let's start on 8. And let's jump along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've landed on 13, so 8 add 5 is 13. Now we've got 4 plus 9. Now I could start on the number 4 and count on 9 jumps, but I'm not going to do that. What am I going to do? Well, let's start on 9, because 9 is the larger number, and it's easier to start on the larger number. And how many jumps am I going to make? Well, we're on 9, and the other number in our addition is 4, so let's go along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've landed on 13, so 4 plus 9 equals 13.